Hey guys, it's Crypto Marie. She does it all, a little bit of everything. The latest on memes coin right now, market cap is at 63.10 billion. The 24-hour volume is 8.90 billion, and the 24-hour change is 2.37. Some of the coins that you can purchase at crypto.com, and some are listed but not yet able to purchase. We have Dogecoin, $24.76 billion. We have Shiba Inu, $19.27 billion. Pepe, $3.46 billion. Floki, $2.59 billion. Doug with Hat, $2.16 billion. Bunk, $1.88 billion. ORDI, $1.76 billion. Gold GAI, $1.13 billion. That's the market cap. Gecko GEKKO, $452.75 million. Baby Doge is listed but not yet able to purchase. And the market cap is $433.31 million. Cock Inu, $409.53 million. MyWo, MYRO, $301.78 million. MOG coin, MOG coin, it is listed but not yet to be purchased. I'm keeping my eyes open on it. And the market cap is $288.44 million. Bon Shiba Swap, $240.38 million. Dogecoin and Mars, $201.59 million. And ladies, my lady, oh, they tied up. $201.48 million. Look at that. The market cap is tied with it. Ladies had surpassed Dogecoin and Mars yesterday, but now they tied. Okay, I see. And again, we have Doge Killer Lish, $69.74 million. Again, if somebody is thinking, oh, this is a joke, there was no money to be made in memes coin, you are out of your mind. $63.10 billion. Way bigger than any other companies we know out there. I'm going to do some more research to bring you the difference. And meme coins in some well-known companies. We know some of the airlines don't make that kind of money. So if you think it's a joke, think about it again. People are making great living. People are making great profit. People are making money, period. Remember, always do your own research, your own due diligence before you purchase any coin. But let me tell you something, yeah. Those memes, they can change somebody's life financially. Again, this is not financial advice. Subscribe, like, share. You can also follow me on TikTok, on Facebook, Twitter. I have not set up my Instagram yet. Again, help your sister bring this channel to the next level. I will be discussing cryptocurrency, local news, celebrity news, and gossip and reactions. You know it. Every little bit of everything. That's why it's Crypto Marie. She does it all. A little bit of everything is like a soup. A little vegetable, a little meat, everything in there. And make Crypto Marie. She does it all. Thank you so much for supporting me. May God bless you and have a wonderful one. Bye-bye. Thank you.